Hey, welcome to the shack, and today what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to replace carpet. I've got a 12-foot by 15-foot piece of carpet that I need to put in here. I'm going to put some new carpet in here. I've got this wonderful, this gorgeous green 1970s carpet that I'm going to remove. I know you're going to want this. You probably want to put it on eBay and you can bid on it. And then we're going to tear it out, put new padding in, and we're going to put new carpet on top of that. So here we go. I'm going to remove this metal. Got my little handy dandy bar out that I bought for $2 at a garage sale. So first time to use it. I'm going to try it out. And see if we can get this carpet out of here. And now we need to pull all this padding out, because padding has absorbed all that smell. You really want clean padding in there. You don't want all that smell. So the padding's got to come. It's pretty easy, really. So the next thing we need to do is we need to get all this old tack strip, carpet tack strip out of here. Make the way for the new carpet tack strip. Okay, so I've got the floor ready to go, and I got all the tack strip off, and I used a scraper and got some of the stuff up with a scraper. Whatever I didn't get up, I drove down with a hammer. We're getting ready to put the tack strip on, and then we'll put the pad on. And we have two sides. We have a shiny side, and we have a rough side, and the shiny side always goes up. And the reason for that is so that when you put the carpet on there, it slides easier and you can stretch it. Lay it, about a ½ inch or so away from the wall so you can slip the carpet in underneath it. So basically what I've done is, this is an easy room because I only have 3 walls instead of 4, and I got a carpet strip over there. So I'm putting the carpet strip in first, and I'm using the factory edge on that. That makes the most sense to me. And basically the idea is I've got the carpet generally in place, and now I'm going to put the carpet strip in, and we'll start tack it in place. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure the distance from here to the carpet, and I want it to be the same measurement so that it's even. With 15 inches down there, so we'll see what it is down here. It's 14 and a half, so I'm going to go another ½ inch that way. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this, but I'm going to flip it around this way so that my cut is over against the wall. So the cut I just made, which is a rough cut, is against the wall. The factory goes right here. A nice looking fit. So the idea is we're going to stretch everything in that direction. So unfortunately my camera turned off on me halfway through the carpet install. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a couple seconds to show you how I cut this in and how you can cut it in too, because it's really pretty simple. It's a great way to do it. So we got 4 tools that we're going to use, and we're going to kick in this whole thing. And we're not going to use a rug stretcher on this one. This is about the largest size that you would want to do without a rug stretcher, and even then it's questionable. So we got our kicker, we got our cutter, and this actually is the textures tools. I've got a rubber mallet over here. And so what you do is you come over to the carpet, and the carpet is laying up on the side here, and you drive the carpet into the corner all the way along like that, as hard as you can, and the carpet will create a crease. And right where that crease is, you'll take your cutter and you'll run. You gotta have a sharp cutter. Keep that blade sharp at all times, but you run that cutter like this all the way down from there to there, and then you kick it in, kick it in, kick it in, and once you get that done, move over to this side over here, and you do the same thing. You know, your carpet's laying up like this, all the way down. Cut out your door, making sure you don't cut past there. Done that before. Let me give you an example of how to cut this carpet. Let's pretend that this carpet is connected here, and you want to cut it. Get your hammer out here, and you drive this piece of carpet into that corner. You do that all the way along here, all the way along here. And once you get it driven into that corner like that, it's just a matter of getting your sharp knife out and taking and cutting along here. And there it is. Got a nice straight line, and notice how it's already sitting underneath there. That's how you cut this out while you're kicking it in. So when you get to the corner, in order to cut this corner, you got your rug running across this way and across this way. you know, you want to still drive your carpet into the corner, just like I'm doing here. Drive it into the corner, about down as far as you can. When you get to the place where you can't drive into the corner anymore, you take your cutter and you're going to cut right into the corner, making sure you don't cut too far, but so that you can lay that back down like that. Maybe not quite far enough. Okay, see how that's working? Now we can drive this into the corner like that. And then you can take your cutter, you're going to cut it off this way, and when you're ready, you can do this wall, drive this into the corner this way, and cut it off like so, and you'll have a good looking corner that you can tuck underneath the corner. Alright, so that's how you put carpet in with just a kicker. This is about the largest size room that I think you would want to put in with a kicker, and really a rug stretcher would be good on a room like this, but there it is. Looks good, doesn't it? This is the shack that Dennis built. That's a wrap.